Hi there, it's Grant here, and in today's video I'm just going to do a quick wrap of what's happening with the crypto market, because crypto markets or the crypto prices generally are down, and they're down a lot. So I'm going to explain to you what's going down and what's going to happen for the rest of the year and going into 2024, because I think there's a lot that you really need to know. So if you're excited to watch the video, why not click like, so this video can reach more people. And if you like this content, why not consider subscribing to the channel. Also, before I get into the video, I just want to show you the Palmage letter here. This is my favorite crypto advisory service. It's run by Tika Tuare, who's one of the world's leading crypto experts. I pretty much learned everything I know about crypto using this service, and Tika is now putting out a lot of his crypto and AI picks ready for the crypto bull run. I can highly recommend it, and it's very, very affordable service. You can just basically get started for your first year for only $49. So if you want to join, I'm going to link to this page down in the description below. First comment in the description. It's come to this page. Click the next page and you can join 75 off and join for just $49, and you can start devouring Tika's AI and crypto research. Also, if you make a purchase, it really helps the channel and helps me to make useful content like that. So if you do purchase, thank you very much, and I really hope you enjoy the service. Okay, so let's get on with today's video. So why are the crypto prices down? So after I'll be honest with you, pretty boring summer, Bitcoin and most of the crypto market been trading sideways. Crypto prices have taken a real nosedive over the past 7 days. And the simple reason for that, in my opinion, is because the Israel-Gaza war has started. Started last Saturday, I do believe. Now, I'm not going to get into the politics of a war because this isn't what the channel is about. But whenever wars break out, they affect markets. It scares a lot of investors, so they pull their money out, whether it's the stock market or crypto market. We saw this perfectly last year when Russia invaded the Ukraine. As soon as Russia invaded the Ukraine, biggest war in Europe since World War II, the crypto market tanked big time. Now, obviously, if we see here Bitcoin, which is one of the biggest influencers and what happens in the crypto market, is down 4% over the past 7 days. Let's have a look here. And the global crypto market is sitting at just over 1 trillion. I think it's possible that we could drop below $1 trillion for the global crypto market as the war in Israel and Gaza basically heats up. And at the moment, I don't really see an end to the Israel war coming anytime soon. I think this could be a protracted war. At the end of the day, with a protracted war, I think that's going to create a lot of volatility in the crypto markets and the stock markets as well, especially if it escalates further. So what is going to happen for the rest of the year? Well, in my opinion, I think the rest of this year is, especially with the Israel war starting, I think it's going to be very volatile. I think any major escalation in the war in Israel is really going to spook a lot of investors in the crypto market. So I'll be honest with you, I've got no idea where Bitcoin and the other cryptos are going to go in price. I'm not even going to make a prediction because I have no idea. But it is not out of the realms of possibility that with Bitcoin we could dip below, maybe 20,000 again if there's a major escalation in the Israel war and becomes protracted and more nasty, because that's just going to scare a lot of investors are going to pull their investments, as the market falls, because they want to keep liquid just in case things really kick off. So I think the rest of this year is going to be volatile. Having said that, for the people who really believe in crypto, I believe it's a great time to buy crypto, because with the crypto game, you want to buy crypto when it's low and sell when it is high. And what is happening next year? Well, next year is going to be the crypto bull run. So this could be if you really believe in crypto and you believe, price of Bitcoin's going to go over $100,000. Now is the time not just to buy Bitcoin, but other crypto projects that you personally believe in. That isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not advising you buy crypto. But I think it's an interesting time if you are loading up for the crypto bull run. So yeah, that is pretty much why the crypto market is down. It's reacting to the Israel-Gaza war. Plenty more volatility to come, I think, over the coming months. And who knows what's going to happen? I mean, is it possible Bitcoin could dip below its low last year after the Ukraine war? Possibly. If things get nasty in Israel and it escalates into a regional war and maybe more, then without a doubt, because people are going to start to panic. Is that likely at this stage? I don't know, but it's probably unlikely. But anything is possible until seeing the Israel-Gaza war so new. Things are happening quickly, just like it was at the beginning of the Russia-Ukraine war. Everyone was panicking, everyone was worrying, everyone thought World War III was going to break out. Obviously it didn't, and Russia-Ukraine war is kind of gradually being forgotten. In fact, I actually think that could be resolved in the next 12 months because, I think support for Ukraine is going to slowly dry up, and I think that war will be resolved in the next year, which is a good thing, and it's a good thing for the crypto market. As for the Israel-Gaza war, I mean, we all hope, obviously, for the people, it's a quick conflict, because obviously we don't want people dying. But obviously, if it's a quick conflict, and that is really going to help the crypto market. So rest of 2023 is definitely going to be volatile. Tika Suarez said himself, rest of this year is going to be volatile, but there's some things you need to watch out for. The SEC is going to make its decision on BlackRock Bitcoin spot ETF and the other spot ETF applications. It was meant to make a decision this month, but it's pushed that back to January, and the final decision is going to come in January. And I'm going to make a prediction, and I see the SEC have to approve them. There's no reason why not. They cannot approve them. And at the end of the day, BlackRock is the largest asset manager in the world with, I can't remember, trillions under management. And the SEC just can't battle that gorilla, and I think it's going to cave. And I can tell you, if BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF is approved, billions of institutional money is going to flow into that fund and into Bitcoin and into the wider crypto market. And that could be the catalyst of the crypto bull run. Now, there is no guarantees that these funds are going to be approved, but I think they will be, because I just can't think the SEC cannot not approve them. There's just too much need and desire for them. So yeah, keep that in your diaries. January 2024. If the BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF is approved, then things could kick off big time. And just on the news alone, Bitcoin could potentially 100x overnight quite easily. And then I think that will send the other or money will flow down into other cryptos as well. Another thing you need to look out for is Bitcoin's halving next year. That should be happening around April, May. And that is generally the main catalyst for the crypto bull run. But obviously, if BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF gets approved, and then after the Bitcoin halving, I think, the crypto market could go pretty crazy next year, assuming there's no major escalation in the Russia-Ukraine war and the Israel-Gaza war, because those are kind of like the wild card world events for if things get really nasty and, if it escalates big time, then obviously that's really going to harm markets. So that is a big asterisk you need to keep an eye out as an investor, because war, the stock markets and the crypto markets do not like wars. Investors don't like wars, because during wars, you want to stay liquid, because you want to be nimble just in case you need to move quickly. But assuming the Russia-Ukraine war slowly peters out over the next year and the Israel-Gaza war doesn't escalate into a major regional, maybe even a world conflict, who knows? Hopefully not, obviously. But then, the crypto market, the crypto bull market should be happening next year, where billions of dollars flows into the market. So, I mean, now is actually a perfect time to start buying crypto because over the long run, crypto is going to be the future. I mean, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, all of those cryptos, they're going to be around for the long term because they're offering real world solutions. And obviously with, the world governments and world elites wanting to push out central bank digital currencies, which could potentially control our money and take away our freedoms. I think a lot of people are going to be putting their money into Bitcoin because Bitcoin is basically its own bank. It's not governed by anyone. So I think people want to protect their fortunes and hard-earned cash. And one of the ways to do that is through Bitcoin. So I think Bitcoin is going to do really well over crypto bull run. And I think a lot of people are going to see Bitcoin as a savior to protect their wealth in the years to come. So there you have it. That's what I think is going to happen. I think this is going to be very volatile. I think, as this Israel-Gaza war escalates further and rattles on, I think that's going to harm the crypto market further. But obviously, keep an eye out in January for the SEC's decision for the spot Bitcoin ETF application, especially for BlackRock, and beware the Bitcoin halving next April, May. And both of these events, should they be positive, will be the catalyst for the crypto bull run. And this could be the last ever crypto bull run. So if you're on the fence about investing in crypto, now is the time to build your strategy and start going after projects you believe in. Obviously not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you do your research wisely, now is the time because this could be the last best time to invest in crypto. So that's what I've got for you. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Why not like the video? Why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this, because I'll be keeping you guys updated over the coming months. And again, just final thing, if you want to join T. Couture's Palm newsletter so you can start preparing for the crypto bull run and get T. Couture's latest AI picks. And also he's got a crypto course in here called Crypto Core. It basically walks you through how to buy, sell, trade crypto, how to stake it, what crypto is, and the whole rest of it. Get all of his special reports and research and all sorts of investments, including crypto and AI investments. And why not join the Palm newsletter? You can join for 75% off. And if you want to join and get a 60-day risk-free sort of, guess I cut in some ways, trial, why not join? I'll leave this page down below in the description and comments. Just come to this page, click on the next page, review your order, and why not join? 75% off, and you can claim your first year for just $49, and you can start devouring all of Tika's latest crypto and AI research and picks. So and again, if you buy, it really helps out the channel and helps me to create hopefully this content that helps you and keeps you guys informed with what's happening with crypto. So that is what is happening with crypto. Again, we're going to go through a period of volatility for the rest of the year, but where volatility happens, opportunity rears its head. So I think there's a real opportunity now to make real profits with crypto. So that's what I've got for you. I'll keep you guys updated as we go along. Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.